Feeling like your marketing messages are getting lost in the noise? Today's video will change that. We are diving into the world of AI-powered personalization, a powerful tool that can transform how you connect with potential clients. Imagine sending emails that adjust to their exact needs or using chatbots that answer their questions in real time. That's the magic of AI personalization, and in today's session, we will show you exactly how to implement it. Welcome to day 49 of the 100-day AI course. This course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools to leverage the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and propel your business forward. Throughout these 100 days, we will explore a wide range of AI-powered solutions specifically designed for the real estate industry. By the end of this course, you'll be able to identify the most impactful AI tools for your business. You'll also be able to confidently implement AI solutions to streamline your workflow and enhance client experiences. And finally, you'll be able to make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategies and generate more leads. So let's take a quick moment to recap yesterday's insightful session. We explored 4 compelling case studies that showcase the power of AI in crafting high-performing marketing campaigns. So the companies in the case study utilize AI to personalize their messaging and target their audience with laser focus. The data-driven approach yielded tremendous results, significantly increasing their conversion rates and engagement. The results from Starbucks, Coca-Cola, and Nike, who are the companies in the case study, provide examples of how AI can revolutionize your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights. So have a look at yesterday's session, which is day 48. And then today, let's have a look at today's focus. Today's focus really is on implementing an AI-powered marketing tactic to personalize your messaging. It's a challenge, and I'd hope that you follow us in this challenge, implement something within your business. In today's competitive landscape, generic marketing can no longer be effective. Modern consumers are bombarded with information and they expect a more tailored approach. AI-powered personalization allows you to bridge this gap by crafting messages that resonate with each individual. Imagine sending an email campaign where the content dynamically adjusts based on the recipient's past interactions or based on their demographics or browsing history. This level of personalization is not only possible, but it also fosters a deeper connection with potential clients and significantly increases the likelihood of converting them into leads. So understanding personalization in real estate or in any industry for that matter requires a couple of things. Think about the traditional way of doing things where one size fits all, everything goes out to everybody is a generic message, which often means that these messages fail to capture any attention and it leads to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Whereas this new way of doing things via AI means that things are personalized and your marketing would involve tailoring your message to the different audience segments. Note that word of segments, because that means that you have to create different categories of all your customers or your potential leads. So consider factors like location or buyer type. Are they a first-time home buyer or investor? Their property preferences, such as the size, how many rooms, features, or amenities. So these are things you can use to create your segments. And then the final thing is you need to engage or utilize the information within your customer relationship management system, so your CRM system, because your CRM system currently collects valuable customer data that can be leveraged for the personalization step and for the segmentation step. So there are 3 key AI tools I would like you to consider for the personalization of your marketing. The first is chatbots. So these chatbots can interact with your clients or your customers 24/7, answering their questions and asking anything in real time that can help you determine what segment to place them in. The second is your email marketing platforms. So these can analyze customer data and segment your email list using the power of AI. And this allows you to send targeted email campaigns with personalized content, personalized offers, and calls to action. The final area for you to look at is your social media platform. You can leverage AI to target your social media ads to the right audience based on their demographics, their interests, and any online behaviors. So these platforms can also dynamically personalize ad content based on user data. So imagine this real world example where a real estate agent like yourself utilizes a chatbot on their website. The chatbot greets the visitors, asks qualifying questions about their needs, and recommends properties that match their criteria. This personalized approach increases lead generation and improves the overall customer experience. And this is something that we've developed in the past, so you can reach out to see examples of for a demo. So what are the key areas to focus on if you wanted to implement AI-powered personalization? So here's a step-by-step guide for you to follow. So now that you understand the benefits of AI-powered personalization, what do you do next? Well, the first thing to do is, if you're going to implement this, look at this five-step process. Identify your target audience, and by identifying them, you're essentially creating your different segments for these different audience members. 2 is to choose the right AI tool. So consider your budget, think about the complexity you want within this solution, and there are numerous tools on the market. So just pick the right one or engage a partner to help you select the right one. Integrate the AI tool with your CRM system. The 4th step is to craft personalized messages, or craft the algorithm that will determine what messages go out for the different segments or for the individual clients to whom you're targeting. And then the final one is to track and analyze these results. So don't just set it and forget it. Regularly monitor the performance of these personalized marketing campaigns. Track those key metrics like engagement rates, conversion rates, and any returns on your investment. And then you analyze the data to identify areas where you can improve or areas where you want to refine the messaging that you are sending out to your clients. So autore AI can assist with this. So the step-by-step approach, if you implemented it, would provide you with the solution that you want 100%. But for some people, this may not be within their sphere of competence, or they might want some hand-holding or some guidance. For this, you can reach out to autore. This is where we come in. So we are specialists in automating real estate processes and automating business processes. So if you're looking to go beyond these initial steps that I've mentioned in the previous slide, our team can engage with you. And what you should expect from us is an in-depth audience segmentation and profiling process. Would help you craft the personalized marketing campaigns. And this is to help you develop the content that you want to release, or any offer, or the language and copy that you want to send out. And then the final ones would help you optimize and manage your AI tools. So we can provide ongoing support and ongoing management, or we can develop it and hand it over to you. Train your team on the solution that's been provided. So if you're interested, reach out to us on our website, autore.ai, or send an email to uwa@autore.ai. So in conclusion, thank you so much for staying to this point. You've completed today's session. There's another session coming up tomorrow. But the key takeaways for today are that 1, personalization is essential for effective marketing in today's digital age. 100%. Secondly, AI-powered tools can automate and enhance the personalization process. And the final thing is, by segmenting your audience and tailoring your message, you can connect with potential clients on a much deeper level and achieve greater success. And I've provided a link here for you to access a guide from HubSpot that talks about the automation of marketing. So you can partner with us, autore.ai. We're available on all our socials, so you can reach out to us directly. We automate business growth, automate business processes. We develop chatbots to boost their engagement and conversion. And let's talk about your business. So reach out to us on via email on uwa@autore.ai, or go to our website, autore.ai, and request to join our waitlist for an AI audit of your business, which would lead to us producing a report that will detail all the things that we expect AI to help you with, and different ways that AI can improve your business and improve your revenue. So thank you so much for your time today, and keep winning. Expect to see us again tomorrow, same time.